Hey guys, this is Evan with Bluebird Exteriors here. Today I'm going to talk to you about our window construction cleanup. So this is a brand new build that we have, and we are coming in pretty much when everything else is done. The painting's done, the drywall's done, all the major woodworking and finished work is done, and we are getting these windows prepped for whoever's going to buy this house. So what we're dealing with here is, this is a brand new installed window. There's silicone on the glass. There's paint on the glass here. On the exterior, there was mortar from when they did the brickwork. There is some sticker residue. There's all kinds of stuff that's on this glass. And we're gonna get it cleaned up. So a lot of times we get asked why the construction cleanup takes so long and the cost, and really what we have to do here is we have to clean the window 2 to 3 times to get this clean. Instead of coming into a home that is already been cleaned before or is older, we clean it one time and we're done. But let me show you that process. So we're going to start with the window wet. We're just using soap and water here, no harsh chemicals, anything like that. Our first step is our window scrape. So this is going to remove drywall, paint, sticker residue. Silicone on this glass, so we're going to take care of the next step. Alright, now step number 2, we're going to get it wet again. Okay, now the majority of the stuff is off. We're going to come by with our magic eraser here, and we're going to get into all the little edges and crevices, and this is going to take care of the silicone that's on the glass. When the new windows get installed, the builders use silicone to seal everything up, and depending on how they do it, a lot of times it gets all over the glass, so we gotta scrub that off. Okay, so that's wash number 2. Now, if this window were to have more sticker residue on it or anything that didn't come off in the first 2, we would then pull out our brass wool and do another buff. That's not necessary on this window, so we're going to do our final wash. Get it wet again. Squeegeeing this window, I'm looking over it just to make sure that we got everything. Wipe down the sill, there's some drywall dust here. There we go. Just want to be clear, what's not included in this is the framework on the interior. We don't mess with any of that. There's some silicone here. That's something that an interior cleaner can do. They usually partner with new construction builds as well and take care of all the interior cleaning. And that's that's something that they do. We specialize just on the glass and getting this nice and cleaned up here. Then we're going to do our final wipe down. And look over. A little spot left here. So you can scrub that out. Okay. So that is how we do our window cleaning for new construction. As you can see, we washed this window 3 times, and we didn't even have to use a brass wool. So it's a long process, but it's a necessary one to have these windows looking as good as possible for whoever's going to move into this, or if you've already built a home, you're already living in it, and they just haven't been cleaned yet. This is a great option so that we can come by and maintain them after we do this initial big cleaning. So again, I'm Evan with Bluebird Exteriors. We're here in Greeneville, Tennessee. We serve an hour radius, so Sevierville, Johnson City, an hour radius from Greeneville. If you're there, we can serve you, and we'd love to. So give us a call, 423-657-0880, or BluebirdExteriorsLLC.com.